In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a collapsible section in Wix. Adding these dynamic elements can make your site cleaner, more organized, and easier for visitors to navigate. Start by opening your site in the Wix editor. From your Wix account, select the site you want to edit and click Edit Site. If you're using Wix Studio, choose Studio instead. Once inside the editor, head to the Add Elements panel on the left. This is where Wix stores all your design tools. Navigate to the text section and look for collapsible text. This element is perfect for FAQs, guides, or any section with lots of information that you want to keep tidy. Click on collapsible text and browse the styles available. Pick one that matches your website's design. Then simply drag it onto your page. Placement is key. Choose a spot where visitors will naturally interact with it. You can resize and adjust it to fit seamlessly into your layout. Once it's in place, you can customize the text and design, making it engaging and consistent with your brand. The collapsible section will let users expand or collapse content, keeping your page clean while still providing detailed information. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've added a functional and stylish collapsible section to your Wix site. Don't forget to save your work and preview it to see how it looks live for your visitors. Thanks for watching and happy website building.